Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Ayan this side. Today we are going to discuss another problem. So basically the problem name is like Leetcode problem. It is a very easy problem. It is 1480 problem. Problem name is running sum of 1D array. So basically the firstly I am just like write write the problem. You did not understand the problem, so don't worry about this. So firstly the problem is saying that like given an array nums, we define a running sum of array and the running sum I is equal sum num0 and num I. Return the running of the sum 0. For example, like you see the sample input 1. Okay, so basically the num is 1 2 3 4 and you want to print output is 1 3 6 10. So what the internal process of this code? So just see the screen so you understand very well. So firstly this is 1, so you simply print it 1 and 2. So what is the adding of 1 plus 2? It is 3. Then after that, like 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is 3 5 and 6. After that, like 1 2 3 4, it is 10. So like that's the output. So you see that the length of the num, it is same the output. Okay, so like you see the code, the function name is running sum and that you want to create the array, and the what is the array size is nums dot length. Okay, so basically that's the problem. So like I'm just explain another example as well as. So basically the another example is saying that like 1 1 1 1. I'm just write it. So like 1 1 1 1. So in the first index is 1, so simply added in the 1, and then 1 plus 1 it is 2. In the third index 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus it is 3. 1 plus 1 plus it is 4. So basically that's the output you want to print it. So I hope you understand very well. So like if you have any doubt, so please comment on this video. So don't worry about this, I'm just writing this code so you understand very well. So I'm just paste this code because I write this code. Okay, so like I'm just explain it. So like you see the line number 3, I am just creating the array like integer array equals to new integer num dot length, and I am just checking in line number 4 integer k equals to 0, in line number 6 k sum equals to 0. Then after that in line number 8 I am using the loop. Okay, so firstly I am just like adding first index like sum 1. For example, like the index is 1 2 array is 1 2 3 4. So like I am starting value is 0 and then go through the nums dot length. So what is the length is 4. So basically I am just sum, so sum is 0, so 0 plus num height is 1. So 0 plus num height is 1, and simply array k, what is the index of k is 0, and then increase it. So array array 0 equals to sum to the position of 0 is 1, and just adding it. Then after that like the sum is 1, so 1 plus 2 3, and then simply print it. So like basically that is the problem. So like I hope you understand very well. Okay, like if you have any doubt of any line, so please comment on this video. So thank you so much.